In this video, I'm going to explain DC power in a parallel circuit. In a parallel DC circuit, multiple electrical components are connected so that one end of each component is connected to a common point, and the other end is connected to a different common points. A parallel circuit is defined as one having more than one current path connected to a common voltage source, therefore must contain two or more resistances which are not connected in series. An example of a basic parallel circuit is shown. In parallel circuit, it has the same voltages. To solve for current using the formula I is equals to V over R, wherein the given value R1 is equals to 20 ohms, R2 is equals to 40 ohms, R3 is equals to 50 ohms, and R4 is equals to 25 ohms. First, we need to solve the total resistance by using the formula. R total is equals to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. Then substitute the given value, so the answer of the total resistance is equals to 7.4 ohms. So we can get now the total current, so substitute I is equals to 100 voltage over 7.4 ohms is equals to 13.5 amperes. And that's all for today's video. Thank you for watching.